students, happy to meet you in this new video. The previous video we have been learning Saral Vakya, simple sentences, and that is from Vakya Sanrachana. So Vakya Sanrachana has been divided into three divisions, subdivisions: Saral Vakya, Sanyutta Vakya, Mishra Vakya. Saral Vakya means simple sentences, we have seen in the old video. Sanyutta Vakya, compound sentences that we are going to see. So Mishra Vakya is complex sentences that we will be seeing in the future video. Next video you will be seeing. Today we are going to learn about Sanyutta Vakya, compound sentences. What are the rules we are seeing here? जिस वाक्य में दो या अधिक सरल वाक्य या और किंतु इसलिए अथवा सो आदि योजकों से जुड़े रहते हैं किंतु एक दूसरे पर आश्रित नहीं होते वे संयुक्त वाक्य कहलाते हैं. So what is the rule? In a sentence there will be more than two simple sentences and there will be या और किंतु इसलिए अथवा so all these words. So when we find all these things, that sentence will be called as compound sentences. And these words अथवा इसलिए किंतु will not be depending upon each other. It will act simple. It will act independently. And here the use of इसलिए, some people will get confused. इसलिए sometimes comes with इसलिए क्योंकि. वह इसलिए पढ़ता है क्योंकि वह सरकार का काम करना चाहता है. So here इसलिए क्योंकि, when it comes together it becomes complex sentences. But if it is इसलिए, if it is coming इसलिए only in a sentence, इसलिए comes alone, it is a compound sentence. That you have to keep it carefully. इसलिए when it is coming alone, it is a compound sentence. इसलिए comes with क्योंकि, it becomes complex sentence. And look at other examples. जल्दी जल्दी चलो तथा अन्यथा बस निकल जाएगी. Get soon, get ready, go soon, and other buses also will leave. मैं मंदिर जाऊंगा तथा भजन भी सुनूंगा. I will go to temple and listen to the prayer. मैं क्रिकेट खेलूंगा लेकिन मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा. I will play cricket but I will not study. So look at other examples also. अध्यापक पाठ पढ़ाते हैं लेकिन बच्चे नहीं सुनते. Teacher teaches the lesson but the children do not listen, do not study. Another example, पिता माताजी बच्चे को बुलाती है लेकिन बच्चे नहीं आते. The mother calls children, but children do not come, and the child does not come. Like this we can make sentences also. So some more sentences also you can learn through the PDF which I am going to send as early as possible. And you see some more examples. राम अच्छा लड़का है लेकिन अच्छा नहीं पढ़ता. See here लेकिन. One more sentence you see. राम अच्छा मार्क लेता है क्योंकि अच्छा पढ़ता है. One more sentence you see. राम अच्छा पढ़ता है इसलिए अच्छा मार्क लेता है. So like this lot of sentences you will be practicing through the examples I will be sending you shortly. So recap the video once again. Learn what is called Sanyutta Vakya. Revise the concept. I will meet you in the new video.